Hey guys, this is Mia, the 7-month-old German Shepherd. Before training, Mia has had a really hard time controlling herself when she sees another dog. She starts barking, lunging, just doing anything she can to get closer to them, but she's really just excited and wants to play. We have spent the last 2 weeks working on her impulse control and her manners, just teaching her how to behave out in public even if there's another dog around. Please enjoy all of the following videos that show off her amazing